Hey everyone, is your email password hijacked or hacked by someone or stolen by someone? Now, you are not in a position to arrest of your email password because of now you don't have recovery email and recovery phones. Similarly, this area has been recommended by one viewer guys who has lost his device, and due to losing of his device now, is not in a position to arrest his email password because of now he doesn't have recovery email and recovery phone so that he can rescue. Sure, we will see live here step by step. We will try to generate a more alternative options to arrest co-affair. So let's see how it is. It is asking especially here last password, maybe here this area. Now we don't have a device here, so just we will click here. Don't have. Now, here is a thing that you did not provide enough information for the Google to show that this account is really yours. Google ask this info to keep your account secure. This can be possible when answer as many as question you can and use a device where you have the sharing before, and the third is that your account is managed with any alternative. Pick up the email or family links, and then we have the send email to your parents to change your password. We quit 3 options because this is not possible from my side. So now how would I? Don't worry, just follow all the instructions. You will be able to get it back once again. Now here we will come in the Play Store. In the Play Store, of course, we will come in a especially search apps, and here we will have to write that is a VIA, and write via browser, and first one we will click. So when we tap on it, very light. Yes, it's very light, and of course the first browser. So just we will go to installation. So let's say it has started to install, and see it has completed install. So just we will cut it from here and 2-3 changes by crucial one. Hold this search browser. We will click on this app info and thereupon, of course, we will click on this notification, make it disable guys. So tap on it, and now it has blocked or disabled, you can say, and just a little bit go back here. Now we will remove the permission, and then will come the permission. In the permission, of course, we will have to customize the precise location, so we'll tap on it and click here, don't allow. So before the going on a don't allow here, yes, we will click here, don't allow, and when we taps, then see automatically it will be show. Just we will click on here firstly, make the precise location off, and then tap on it. Now guys, here just simply we will back and yeah, just one more time, so we have to back and set as default. So of course we will have to go to the inside of it, make it disable, and click to clear everything. Now just we will cut it back, and we will check it out that take any smartphones guys, apply these instructions, and you will see the forever that how it's being on this page. So don't be panicked, just follow all the instructions. Now we will close this and we will come in a notification. Similarly, we will have to make it don't allow. Files, we will go back and we'll have to come in the permissions to customize the precise location, so where it is. Now we will make the precise location off, and then click here, don't allow, so no longer the function is intended. It's a notifying, but for time remember this guys. So just close it. Now it's the time to open this PC. That the browser that I had installed, the web browser, and we'll go for a subject term and condition and approach after installation. So I'm gonna search, and we'll have to write Google. First, we'll go tap it, and after tapping, so what we will do, just we will go my space like the border of the signs that. Now we will have to go for right to the particular ID that we would like to rescue guys. So now see here, just we will click to the next, and see we can clearly see here that is asking a password. Yes, we'll go for forward password. Now we'll go for try another way because we don't have a device of that. So now tap on it this and now that we can see here it's asking last password. We'll tap on it and now that we can see here it is a United States verified number, guys. Now it's showing the last one 2 digit. So if you're able to especially remember it, then of course by tapping on it, get it OTP and of course you can reset, but we don't have right now, so we will click here, don't have a device. So now we can see here it's the sense that oh, you did not provide enough information for Google to be sure that this account is right. Why the Google asking to keep your account secure, guys. So for it, answer as many questions as you can. One option, use a device where you have to sign in before, and the third is that alternative email or family links. Fine, but see here, more tips to other responses accounts. If it is thanks then choose, Google will guide you to the rest of it quickly. So how it is? Don't click on a try again. We will approach this alternative best options and do it in a single way that I'm doing here. Now we will come to setting, of course, and setting to, of course, we will have to come in a general to Google preferences and services. So Google services. This option has been especially designed in Android or smartphones to other apps. So here, at is here at the three corner, we will have option that is a help option, and when we tap on a help options, then it's we are here. Now we are trying to the rescue, so just we will write here Gmail hacked. And when we click on a Gmail hacked recovery, on a hacked Gmail recovery, we are on here secure up. Yes, hacked or compromised Google accounts. Don't select anyone out of this feature page. So just we will select this one, and of course now when we tap, then you would be here, and here review your account activities. Then we'll go for find out if your account has been hacked. Tap on it, guys. The files. Now we will here that see account these steps that can be, so just make it cut it and these steps that can just go first. So now here we can see at the corner, what if I still can't sign in? So create a replacement Google account while getting logged out of your Gmail accounts. If the both is a coming, means you are on a right recovery path. Now here is arrow account recovery path. So just we will click on it here and you will be directly on here. Now here what we will do, guys, here simply just we will click on here. The side will be recommended automatically, and within a one click tap on it and see automatically this side will be recovered. Now it has been backed. See, it's welcome to you, guys. Now what you see here, don't click on continue, otherwise you would be trapped in yes it's verify your option, and there yes the particular United States verified number has been special and the link show. Just we will tap on update password. Don't click on there. Now we will have the strong opportunity to create a strong password and go for confirmation, and after confirming save it, and then once again we'll have to go in a Google account management in security option, and security option there we'll have to add a firstly alternative email, and by adding an alternative email, then of course we can remove the old phone number link, and of course then we can add a old any special items. Now new phone number on in the place of old number, and then your alternative email as well as the phone number has been special replaced. So this side would be a permanently and fully secure, guys, and we can't be enjoyed. There's a lot of the data especially, and of course in the privacy concerns, so that's why I cannot show you the further step, guys, but follow all my instructions, you'll be able to get it back. See, yes, each step is yes. Now on the table and in front of you that how to execute it. Watch carefully and then go for executions. Any kinds of the query, confusions, and then of course you can drop the query in the comments box, guys. And the one more things that if you are unable to execute in these all procedures, then of course you can drop your email ID below the comments box, and of course we will pick one and we will Of course, after that screen, of course, we'll tell about to you. But you should have no any objection if I disclose your ID on a public, on especially these channels. Guys. So this is all about. Thank you very much, indeed. Have a great time, guys. Bye bye.